Okay guys, welcome back to another video of Tate Boys. And okay, guess what kind of video we're doing today? I know you will like it. A fidget spinner video. Okay, so I have this one. It's pure metal, okay? And I have this one. It spins like fast. And I have another Sky Zone one. Where is it? Sky Zone. If you're watching this video and you live near Queensbury in New York, go to Sky Zone, please. My dad runs it. Sky Zone, Queensbury, New York. And I know you would love it. I don't even think you can see it. Sky Zone. No, you can't see it. But it says Sky Zone. This is my sister's. I traded bearings with that. And this one, watch, it doesn't even spin. Barely. Yep. And the light up one. Another light up one. It's not working right now. Not working. Let me try it again. Okay, if you're watching this video right now, go down, smash that like button. This is my sister's channel. I share with her. Go down, pause this video, go down, smash that like button, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Okay, so we're gonna have a spin contest. Which one's the best spinner? Comment it down below. Which one do you think is the best? And if you don't know, I got these glasses like a year ago. I just don't wear them in any of the videos. So, do you like this one? It makes a lot of noise. It's big, but it spins the longest. Do you like this one? It makes a weird noise, but it spins smooth. Same thing, because it's the same fidget spinner. I don't really like this one, because it like wiggles. And you know the two ones, if you don't know them, crazy. They suck. They wiggle all over the place. The light up one, I kind of like the light up one. And the one that sucks. That fidget spinner sucks. Okay. This was just a short video. We're going to upload 2 days. I mean, we're going to I'm crazy. We're going to upload 2 uploads a day. 2, maybe even 3. Look at my teeth. Look how yellow they are. And I had pancakes for breakfast, so blue, they make you full. Like, I don't feel good at all. Emma, come over here.
What?
Come over here. Say hi to the YouTube.
Hi.
that's my sister, and that's her channel. Guess what I did? I traded her camera that sucks for my computer. Well, actually, we kind of share it. But,
hello.
Yeah, okay. Oh, go.
Stop.
We're trying to do it. Okay. So, this was just a quick video. If you're watching this, please subscribe and...
Hey, whoa. Bye. Bye, Emma. I love you.
Okay, that was weird. So, please subscribe. Pause this video. Go down, like... Bye, guys. See you later. Please subscribe to Emma Boyce.